Time to tweak this Hamburger dropdown for tablet and mobile. On tablet, select the menu and remove the overrides to match the desktop design. Then, adjust the size of the menu items. Everything else already looks great. Moving on to mobile. Tweak the menu items in their regular, hover, and selected states. Do the same for the drop-down items to keep everything consistent. One final adjustment to this image here. And that's it. The menu is fully functional and looks perfect across all breakpoints.